Uh, I did a lot without taking a video. I'm not 100% sure where I left off yesterday, or if I even took a video yesterday or whatnot. The car actually pissed me off, and I was ready to be like done with it, like done. But come today, new day, better results. So I've been looking for a while, could not find it. Trying to find out what people used for top radiator using a truck water pump. Top radiator, the upper radiators, as I should say, and lower radiator hose. This is the pump that I had on the car, or that was on the truck that actually was with the motor. You see the spout comes out super long, as it was on this one, but this one's super short. So this one, instead of coming all the way out and over, this one's like right here. So I used a stock truck hose. I cut it, so you know what I mean, because before it was like all super long and all the way out here. I cut it, used that coupling that O'Reilly's or AutoZone sells. Put a couple hose clamps on it. The diameter of this hose is 1.25 inches, but the champion radiator that I use is 1.5 inches. All I did was spray some God, what did I put on there? Some PB Blaster, and it slid right on. So got that on there. If you're having trouble with this bottom hose, I think this is 17.25. It's a flex hose at 17.25. Nothing else that I had worked. I've seen a lot of other people are using different hoses. Everyone was saying like stock 03 Tahoe hoses or something like that. That didn't work for me. So, like I said, a 17.25 length lower radiator hose worked. It's 1.5 inches diameter. So that worked. Not sure if I'm going to be able to close the hood with this cold air intake sitting up like that. I really don't believe I'm going to be able to. But then again, I don't know. We're going to find out. Still going to have to figure that out, because I know the way this is, it's not going to like sitting like that. Still going to install a catch can from this port here to this one here. Still gonna do that. Still gonna run AC just in due time. Let me see what else. Gotta get an aftermarket reservoir. I'm not gonna use the big bulky old Chevy one. I'm gonna get just like an aftermarket reservoir for that. Got the dipstick mounted. I don't know if I showed you guys that before. It's all mounted up now. But yeah, the tuner came this morning. Shout out to 360 Garage. I believe that's where he is. Matt out of Vallejo. He came and got me together early this morning. I don't know if I showed you guys before or not. If I did show you before, I'm sorry for fucking going over and showing you again. But I drilled a hole in the floor to where like no one would be stepping on it. Ran the fuel pump line under the car, kind of close to the old fuel line, and ran it up and over the rear end and tied into the harness. So you got gray as your fuel pump wire, purple as your sending unit wire, which I think that 3/4 is about right. You guys can see that with this glare. I think the 3/4 is about right. Gonna change this dash out. The car's getting dropped off on Friday to get the exhaust done. So after that gets done, I don't want to drive the car until the dash is in. I want to be able to know everything that's going on with the car, so I'm not going to drive it until it's all done. Gotta figure out this pedal situation. Gotta figure out how I'm gonna mount this, because I'm not gonna use this one because this one doesn't fit. Which I probably told you guys that. This is from an 06 Denali. It's a drive-by wire. It's not drive-by throttle, it's drive-by wire. It's not gonna fit, so I went up to SAC and my guys gave me this one to use. So gotta figure out how to mount it to where I can get full throttle out of it. And I'm gonna have one of my guys come and we're gonna cut this and use it to weld it on there somehow. So yeah, that's up next. Besides getting to the tranny, I gotta get down into the tranny and change. Gotta get down into the tranny and change the pan gasket, and I want to put some new bolts and the filter and everything else like that. After that's done, I'll probably be back up here messing with this wire a little bit more. Let me see. Exhaust is getting done. Dash will get done. Then after that, I'll be able to drop it off to get the rear end done. Yeah, like I said, I'm not a mechanic. It's first time doing this. I've never done this. I've literally, besides my girl giving me a hand, it's pretty much just been me. So if you guys are out there wondering if you can do this, it's possible. It takes a shit ton of money. I'm not gonna lie about that. My LS swap isn't a junkyard swap. I didn't go to the junkyard and get parts from my swap. The only thing that was used for my swap is the motor, and you guys already saw it. I went through that just a tad bit. As far as these parts, not really that cheap. I'm not the richest guy in the world. If you feel like these parts are cheap, then fine. I'm happy for you. But as far as my pockets go, these parts weren't that cheap. It's pretty expensive to do one of these swaps. But in the end, I guess, well, from me starting up my own car and everything else like that, and knowing that I did this, I feel a whole hell of a lot better. You know what I mean? It'd have been nice to have someone else do it. Yeah, I wouldn't mind, but the fact that I did it myself and that the car is actually running now, I feel a lot better. So yeah. Besides that, I think like the only thing that I have to worry about now is the fact that I went through my steering column and I was trying to change the shift detent, which I'm pretty sure I told you guys about that. And when I went through the column, I know I fucked a couple things up. So yeah, my blinkers not working or any of that. So I'm gonna take it to the steering column place they have in Sacramento and see how much they're gonna charge me to rebuild it or whatnot. And yeah, so as of now, the blinker or the marker light on the front and then the tail light stays just like, lit. So if the park lights are on, that tail light on the right side is brighter than the tail light on the left side, which isn't a big deal, but it's a big deal because I want all my shit right. So it's getting dropped off sooner than later to get the column redone, so we won't have that problem anymore. Do have the wood grain at the house, so wood grain will be getting put on. I do have HID headlights that'll get put on as well. As far as music, I'll probably just put something in there now just so we have music in here. Doesn't have to, I'm not too worried about like everything getting super crazy right now. I'm just happy it runs. So yeah, with me, if I stop talking, I'll give you guys a little demo real quick. Piss the neighbors off. It's probably like my fourth time starting it. You guys can hear that fuel pump. I'll fire it up for a second. That's it. Oh. Yeah. First LS swap done by me. Probably won't be my last. It's not the cleanest. I'm not a professional, but it's done by me.